Today, I'll show you how to use the Capital One shopping app. Whether you're looking to save money on your online purchases or just want to streamline the shopping process, this handy tool is designed to make your shopping experience both efficient and rewarding. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this app. First things first, you'll need to download the Capital One shopping app. If you're on a mobile device, head over to the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Simply search for the app and tap on the download or install button. If you're on a computer, you can opt for the browser extension instead. This works seamlessly with your web browser to provide the same great features. Once the app or extension is installed, the next step is to sign in or create a new account. If you're a new user, setting up an account is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, enter the necessary information, and you'll be ready to go in no time. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, you can shop online as you normally would. As you browse your favorite supported websites, the app works quietly in the background, ready to spring into action. When you reach the checkout stage, the app will automatically pop up. It will then search for any available coupon codes, compare prices across different retailers, and apply the best discounts it can find. This ensures you're always getting the best deal possible without having to manually hunt for savings. Another great feature of the Capital One shopping app is its reward system. When you make eligible purchases through the app, you can earn rewards. Over time, these rewards can be accumulated and then redeemed for gift cards, providing you with even more savings down the line. It's a fantastic way to get a little something back for the purchases you're already making. And that's it. You now know how to use the Capital One shopping app. It really is as simple as downloading, signing in, and shopping as usual. With automatic coupon searches, price comparisons, and the added benefit of earning rewards, this app is a valuable tool for any savvy shopper. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial and happy saving.